In this video, I'm going to talk about what is box and whisker plot. So, box and whisker plot is one way of visualizing data, right? There are several ways of visualizing data. So, one of the way is to plot it in a fashion, and it's known as the box and whisker plot. So, let's take an example to understand what is it all about. Well, the first thing you need to do is that you need to sort your data, or keep your data in ascending order. So here is a data series. It starts with 5, 7, 9, 10, 12, 13, 16, 19, 22, 24 and 25. So it's already in ascending order. All right. So once we have this data in ascending order, so let's just take a count. So the number 5 is first number, and it's second, third, fourth, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So there are 11 numbers in total. Now, so what is the middle number out of this 11 numbers? 13 is the middle number, because this comes at 6. This is a sixth number. So 13 is the middle number. So we call that as the median. All right. Now, if you take the middle number between the first and the median, which is 5, 7, 9, 10, 12. So 9 is the middle number. So this is called the quantile 1. Quantile 1 or Q1 in short. Okay. And then take the middle number between the median and the last number, which is 25. So this is nothing but 22, right? So this is the middle number between 13 and 25, right? So we call it as Q3 or quantile 3. All right. So I've got quantile 1, which is 9, median, which is 13, and quantile 3, which is 22. Now, so majority of the number, or 50% of the numbers lie between 9 and 22. And we'll put that in a box, and the rest all numbers we'll put it in what is known as whisker, right? And hence we call that as box and whisker. So how do we plot it? So here is the way we plot it. So here is an x-axis. We have numbers from 5 to 25. So 5 being the lowest number and 25 being the highest number. All right. So then this is 9, and then the middle number is 13, and then Q3 is 22, and the last number is 25, right? So this is a number line. So we have 7 here, then 10 somewhere here, 12, 16, 19, and so on. Okay, 24 and 25. So we are not plotting, we are not putting all the numbers, but yes, on the x-axis you can put all the numbers. So the lowest number is 5, the Q1 is 9, median is 13, Q3 or the quantile 3 is 22, and the last number is 25. So we create a box between 9 to 22, and we'll mark the middle, which is the median, like this, and then we create a box like this. So the box contains numbers between 9 to 22, and then we create the whiskers. So whiskers are nothing but the lines stretching from the Q1 to the lowest number to the Q1, and then from Q3 to the highest number. Okay, so from the last number to the quantile 1, we create one line, and then from quantile 3 to the last number we create another line. So these are known as the whiskers, and then we have created the box, hence it's known as box and whiskers. Now what's the purpose of doing this? Well, in most data analysis, you will need to visualize your data before you go into modeling. So by looking at the box and whisker plot, you'll be able to know that how the data is concentrated, where exactly it is concentrated. By looking at the kind of data that lies between your Q1 and Q3, you'll be able to sort of understand the distribution of data and where the data is concentrated mostly. And you'll also be able to find out outliers in your data. So some of the outliers will be like outside this box, and you can pick some of them and remove your data before going to modeling and all. So that's about box and whisker plot. You can use different statistical softwares like R, SAS, SPSS to create box plot. So in another video, I'll show you how to create box and whisker plot in R.